Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So dear children, in this video we are going to discuss about animal tissue. Under animal tissue we are going to discuss about the muscular tissue. Okay, so what are muscular tissues? Basically muscular tissue is made up of muscle fibers. Okay, these fibers they remain attached to each other and form bundles. Okay, there are 600 muscles in human body. They form about 40 to 50% of the body weight. The muscle forms the musculature of the body and body organ. Some muscles are attached to the skeleton. Some are not attached to the skeleton. Okay. Function of the muscular tissue. In general, we can discuss it forms the musculature of the body. It gives the shape to the body. Okay. It is attached to the bone or skeleton of the body. It help in movement of animals. Okay, mixing of the food in the stomach and pumping of the heart. It also help in locomotion, that is the movement of the organisms from one place to another. Now let's see what are the various types of the muscles. Now we can categorize the muscles into three types: skeletal muscle, okay, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Okay, now you can see the diagrams. Okay, the various type of muscles are present. Okay, so first one is skeletal muscle, next is smooth muscle, and the last one is the cardiac muscle. Okay, based on their location we can classify. So smooth muscle. Okay, first let's discuss smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, okay, these muscle cells are spindle shaped. You can see they have the tapering ends. Okay, it is having the tapering end, pointed ends are present. Okay, so it is called the spindle shaped. Okay, a nucleus is present in the center. Okay, and thicker part of the cell, thus it is uninucleated. Only one nucleus is present, you can see. Okay, so it is called uninucleate. The cells are elongated. You can see the cells are not oval circular, but they are elongated. Okay, the cytoplasm of the muscle cell is called sarcoplasm, and the cell membrane is called the sarcolemma. Okay, sarcoplasm has very fine myofibril that passes to the longitudinal axis of the cell. Okay, now do not show strips or striations across the fiber. There is no strips, okay, or lining like structure is absent, as you can see in the skeletal muscle, but in case of the smooth muscle there are no striations. Okay, so it is called smooth muscle. Okay, now function. Okay, it forms visceral organs. Okay, now urinary bladder and wall of the blood vessel, it help in the contraction and relaxation of the organs. Okay, so we have the visceral organs. So internal organs are present except heart. Okay, so there the movement, contraction, their formation is done by the smooth muscle. Now where do you find the smooth muscle? It is present in the visceral organs. Okay, all the organs which are present inside our body except the heart. Okay, blood vessels, bronchi, ureter, iris of the eyes. Okay, which is dark in color. Okay, now next let's see this striated muscle or skeletal muscle. Okay, skeletal muscle is also known as the striated muscle. Okay, now due to presence of the striations, you can see the bends, light and dark bends are present. You can see the lining over here. So due to that, the presence of the light and dark band, it is also called the striated muscle. These muscles have long unbranched cylindrical fiber like cells. Okay, these are arranged in the bundles. Okay, these muscles have many nuclei situated towards the periphery, that means side. Okay, and thus they are called the multinucleated. So you can see a single muscle fiber is having number of nucleus. Okay, and due to presence of large number of nucleus in it, it is called multinucleated. Here you can see only one nucleus is present in one cell, so it is called uninucleate. Okay, Now these muscles appear to have light and dark bands, okay, and due to presence of these light and dark band, they are called stripped muscle or striated muscles, okay. These muscle cells have myofibrils and forms the light and dark bands, okay. When you go to higher class, you will study that they have two type of proteins, that is the I protein and A protein, actin and myosin are present, okay. Now, where do you find the striated muscle or skeletal muscle? Since the name skeletal itself is telling us it is found attached with the skeletal system or bones, okay. So it forms the musculature of the body, okay. Then these muscles are attached to the bone of the skeleton, okay, and it help in the movement of the body part and the body, okay. So this is about the skeletal muscle. Now next we have is we have some more names for the stripped muscle, skeletal muscle, because it is attached to the skeleton. Voluntary muscle, this is also known as voluntary because we can control the activity of this muscle, okay, and it is responsible for the movement of the muscles, okay, and we can work, run, okay, with the help of the skeletal muscles, okay. Now we'll discuss about the another muscle which is present only in heart, and due to presence their location, it is called the cardiac muscle. If you go to doctor, cardiac arrest, cardiac attack, okay, so heart attack is also known as cardiac attack, okay. So cardiology is the study of heart, okay. Cardiologist is the specialist of the heart. So here cardiac muscle is the muscle which is present in the heart, okay. So these muscles are cylindrical and branched muscle. Here also you don't see any branching, here also you don't see any branching, but here you can see branching out there, and the structure is cylindrical, okay. They are cylindrical, branched, okay. This muscle have many nuclei, that is one or two present in the center, okay. Then these muscles also show faint strips called the stripped muscle, okay. Here also you can see the strips also, okay. That's why it is called the striated muscle, okay, or stripped muscle. Now this muscle is present only in heart. You don't find the cardiac muscle anywhere else. It is present only in heart, okay. And the main function of the heart is it help in pumping of the heart, okay. It help in the pumping action or beating of the heart, okay. So this was about the various type of muscles that are present in our body.